Are you a perfectionist? Do you want everything to be perfect? And when things are not perfect, then it kind of disturbs you a little bit. You wait for the perfect opportunity. You expect everyone to be perfect, including yourself. And you are always looking at the things in full detail. If that's you, then you are most likely a Virgo rising sign. A person who had Virgo in the eastern direction at the time of birth. Namaste, I am Chandramukhi and welcome to Astro Saraswat, your celestial guide. And now we are discussing about the rising sign Virgo. Now Virgo is the other sign which is ruled by the planet Mercury. So definitely Mercury qualities of intelligence, good communication skills, and a young nature, they naturally come into those who have Virgo as their rising sign. But along with this, Virgo is an earth sign, which means that a certain amount of stability is required and the person is more grounded in comparison to the other Mercury ruled sign, which is the sign of Gemini. Now, Virgos, they are perfectionists. They just want everything to be perfect. They expect life to be perfect. They want everyone around them to be perfect. They want their mothers, fathers, friends, brothers and sisters, husband or wife, children, everyone should be perfect. Now, what happens is that, well, no one is perfect. And that creates a sense of disappointment. Not just with others, they expect perfection from themselves as well. And they'll keep working at things till they feel it is perfect. But well, again, we ourselves are also not perfect, and that can lead to disappointment. So, although the same thing of perfection can be extremely helpful to Virgos in doing things very efficiently, right? They can get into the nitty-gritty details of things, but at the same time, Virgos have to be careful to not get overly stuck in this perfectionist nature, because that can lead to a certain amount of disappointment. Virgos are very good in serving. They have a very service-oriented nature, and they have to be willing to start things without waiting for the perfect opportunity or the perfect timing. That is another place where this perfection comes into, that they think that, oh, I will start learning whatever it may be that they like to do. I'll start learning music when I have time every single day to practice for an hour. Well, life happens and that never really, we might not have that kind of time, but we might lose opportunities, or we might lose on life, because of just waiting. So don't wait. If you're a working Virgo rising person, don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Go live life. Be a bit more flexible. That is what Virgos really need to work on. Learning to be more flexible and learning to be more accepting of how everyone is. When we have less expectations, when we are willing to accept people the way they are, then we are less disappointed, and that would make life much easier for Virgo rising people. Health is another concern for Virgos. They generally have a weaker constitution, and health is something which they should always take care of. Very detail oriented, very good at learning things, a very good service attitude is there, and they are very good at detail oriented work. That's how Virgos are, and it is also a very adaptable sign. Just like Gemini, Virgos are also very adaptable. They can adjust excellently to different situations. That is how Virgos are. Stay tuned for the rest of the rising signs. Let us know if you too are a Virgo and how do you show up in the world. Like and comment and share, and please subscribe to the channel, and let's meet in the next video. Namaste.